Did you hear that the Hubble telescope looks like it's dead now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, I did see something about they were trying to like do something with it, but I didn't know it died.
Yeah, I don't know if they did some sort of they said it was a glitch, I think was it. So I don't know if they were trying to do like a software update or something, and it didn't go well, and it's just floating around space.
I had a Windows update.
Really?
Yeah,
That's
just
crazy.
in the last week or so.
Well, that James Webb is supposed to be going up soon.
Yeah,
right?
that's
that
supposed
thing's
to be able
gonna
to,
be
that's supposed to
crazy.
be able to like image extrasolar planets.
Yeah.
And determine if they have like Earth-like atmospheres and stuff, which is
it's gonna be nuts.
Amazing.
Like I forget how much bigger it is, but they had to fold it up to fit it into the rocket, and then it like unfolds in space. But it's like I think it's like each one of the mirror segments on it is the size of the Hubble, and there's like 10 of them or something like that. Yeah.
That'd be insane.
Yeah, which like you think like it's kind of nuts. Like when we were kids, like when Hubble went up, like. It's just weird because we take it for granted. Like I don't know what time that went up. Like, but it was up long enough. Like that. Like when we were kids, like we just always knew what the outer space looked like.
Yeah, we're like, oh, the Andromeda Galaxy. Yeah,
yeah.
I'm 6. I've seen it.
Yeah, I've seen it. Yeah, like, and then like, but prior to that, they didn't even really know. Like they hypothesized that there were like other galaxies and stuff, but they didn't.
Right.
They couldn't really see them.
Oh. Yeah.
And then they took that and they. Like every like square inch of like the cosmic sphere that you look at, like they zoom in and there's like 100 million galaxies. Yeah, like and they're like, oh, there's more than we thought. Like, and then but this thing though, it's gonna be able to look between those galaxies, and then they'll probably see even more galaxies. So like that's gonna be nuts. Like, and then you think like
they look between it's just like billboards.
Yeah,
oh, shit.
It's just insane though to think that like. I just think the idea, unless we're in a simulation, which is probably true, but we're probably but even if you have a simulation, you're gonna want like, it's gonna want to be accurate to like whatever degree you want it to be. So like if there's other planets and stuff that are similar to ours, like why wouldn't there be life and other things on them? So we're probably in a simulation, but there's probably also like other planets.
If we are in a simulation, there's got to be other planets.
Yeah. Like, because like
they're just working on networking them together.
Well, and also it could be updates. Like there weren't
Yeah.
extrasolar planets until we had the technology. And they're like, oh shit.
They don't have enough.
The simulation has gotten advanced enough to keep inputting more data.
Well, they're just trying to get all the servers up and running that you would need to run.
See how they deal with this.
We've been on a one server system for this. Like, they're just like it's like we're getting enough revenue now. I think we can open up a couple more servers. but you look at that though, it's like those numbers aren't just like, it's just hilarious because it's like if we just had like just the Andromeda Galaxy, you'd be like, oh, that's crazy though.
Yeah,
like,
right, yeah.
Whoa, there's another place, and it's got like 100 million stars just like ours does. It's 100 million planets. There's 200 million stars.
It up. Yeah.
200 million solar systems, and then you're just like, that sounds nuts. But it's like, no, there's an infinite amount of them.
Yeah.
And you're like, oh. And then people were like, you think there's extraterrestrial life? And it's like, man, what? Like, unless we're in a simulation where there's just no extraterrestrial life, and that's the point.
mean,
they
just want to see more convincing that it's a simulation than it's.
Oh yeah, no, for real.
Think
about it though. Like, if you wanted to run an experiment and you're like, let's just like make a version of our planet where there is no aliens and just like see what happens. Like, and then like everybody just goes insane and they're just like, oh, it's just nothing but rocks. Like,
but it's also possibly that we're just being we are a simulation that we are created so that in a higher whoever created us, they're suffering from the experience of being bombarded with extraterrestrial life. They're like, I just want to live in a universe where there's no extraterrestrial life, and we're it.
Yeah.
And they created this.
And they're like, let's just see.
It's actually really peaceful.
Yeah, they just want, like we're like, this is dumb. Like, why isn't there any but then they're like, guys, you're taking it for granted. Like, they're just like watching, and they're like, it's so great. I wish that was me.
It's like the Stardew Valley of simulations, just like.
Yeah.
Play it, Nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy.
Hang out, grow some
Super
food.
mundane. Yeah.
You know, the
Big
simple
deal.
life.
Yeah.
Just smartphones and satellites and billionaires trying to
Simple
get off the
stuff.
planet.
Like we built
Just
a simulation based on fun, and that's all you guys.
And you guys are fucking up the fun. For sure.
Yeah. So, like it didn't go as we thought it
NPCs are
would.
just
But...
out of control.
Yeah. All the NPCs are just glitching out, destroying the simulation. They're like,